Okay, Dave, I'm going to show you a print preview from your print from last night. These are the exact settings we used yesterday. Then I'll show you an option for that. So that shows the infill 10% wiggle concentric external fill pattern. Generate the code, and then we go back to here, and what you see is these circles are completely filled as it builds up, and that one's hollow until you get, then it starts to print the bottom and then puts it right on top. So there's really nothing holding those on at the base there. And then start to build up. I don't know why there's a line there. It could be a slicing issue. There's one across the front. You had a little issue here in the corner, and you can see that concentric fill, which is good for the top of the circles, but not, I don't like it for rectangular pieces. So then you build on up, everything's normal from there. So let's go back and change just two things here. Let's go to rectilinear. We'll leave that for now. To show the difference, not a big deal. Print, ABS left, and let's go back here, and you have the same issue, circles, but you see much better base fill pattern with no issues on the turret right there. So I kind of like that better. The only thing it does is when you get to the top of your circles, sometimes it'll fill those like that instead of, now the small ones it just does a circle because it's not using the infill like that, but on the big ones it'll fill a little funny across the top. Not a big deal, but so if you separate the circular pieces, but I don't think it really matters. I think it's probably okay for what those parts are doing, because the only place it's doing that is right on the top.